In this video, we are going to see how we can name your house in Google Maps. So let's say that we want to name our house in Google Maps. What you can do is just identify your house first. Here it is. And then we go to U, that is shown at the bottom. Click on that and you can see a couple of options here. Click on see all, and on top you can see home as well. So click on these three dots and you can edit your home. So let's say that you travel to frequent locations and before that your home is identified for some other location, but now you've changed the address. So just click on edit home and you drag it to adjust it anywhere else. Let's say I have moved to different city like Austria, move to a different country, and here is my new home. So click on save, click done, and now this one is identified as your home. So if you click on you can click on the three dots, copy the address, share it with someone else, but you cannot particularly change the name from home to something else. You can change the icon though. Click on change icon and whatever you like, let's say I like this one, I can choose that and it should show us that way. So this is the new home. You can check this 3D map of this location. Beautiful place. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.